Get ready to upgrade your ride, because today we're checking out 15 coolest car gadgets you must have in 2025. From smart tech to futuristic accessories, these gadgets will transform every drive into an experience you won't forget. You can find links to all these gadgets in the description. Let's dive in. First up, the Kawa Mini 3 Pro Dash Cam. This tiny powerhouse records in stunning 2K 1296p QHD resolution, so license plates and signs are always sharp. Thanks to WDR, 3D DNR, and Super Night Vision, it performs flawlessly even in low light. Hands-free voice control in multiple languages makes driving safer. With Wi-Fi and the KAWA app, footage can be viewed, downloaded, and shared instantly. Plus, 24-hour parking monitoring and G-sensor protection ensure peace of mind around the clock. For outdoor adventures, this car awning tent is a game changer. It provides 129 square feet of shade with waterproof UV-blocking fabric that protects from sun and rain. Setup is quick with foldable aluminum poles, and evenings feel cozy with the built-in LED strip. Sidewalls add privacy and weather protection, making it perfect for camping or road trips. When not in use, it folds neatly into a storage bag for easy carrying. A must-have for explorers. Next is the HipaCool portable car clip fan, designed to keep rides cool and refreshing. The 360-degree rotatable design directs airflow exactly where it's needed. With 100-speed settings, the breeze can be adjusted for total comfort. Its USB rechargeable battery and whisper-quiet motor make it perfect for long journeys. The sturdy clamp secures it anywhere in the car, ensuring convenience without clutter. Compact and versatile, this fan makes every trip more enjoyable. Dust and crumbs don't stand a chance against the car cleaning gel slime. Safe, non-toxic, and lightly scented, it leaves no residue behind. Just press it into vents, buttons, or gaps, and it lifts dirt instantly without scattering dust. It's even proven to kill common bacteria, keeping surfaces hygienic. Ideal for car interiors, keyboards, and electronics, this gel is reusable until it darkens. A fun, effective cleaning tool that gets into spots traditional cloths can't. For keeping clothes neat on the go, the car clothes hanger hook is the perfect solution. It fits most car headrests with no extra tools needed. The hanger detaches with a built-in hook, so clothes can be carried out like a standard hanger. With a 20-kilogram load capacity, it keeps coats, suits, and bags wrinkle-free. When not in use, it folds into a compact size for easy storage. Simple, strong, and stylish, ideal for organized travel. Struggling to find your cup in the dark? These LED cup holder lights illuminate your drink holders instantly, creating a stylish ambiance for nighttime drives. With 17 lighting modes, vibration, and light sensors, they turn on automatically and conserve power when idle. USB rechargeable, they last up to 2 weeks on a single charge. Bonus: patterns or text can be customized for free, making the interior uniquely yours. Transform any car with wired CarPlay into a wireless entertainment hub. Running Android 12 with a Snapdragon 665 processor, this AI box streams YouTube, Netflix, and TikTok directly on the car display. Split-screen options let navigation and video run simultaneously, while built-in GPS keeps directions precise. HDMI output, Cloud SIM, and Nano SIM support make it a complete in-car media powerhouse. Keep windshields crystal clear even in rain with this powerful oil film remover. Its hydrophobic effect repels water, while the applicator makes cleaning fast and easy. Perfect for all glass surfaces, including car windows, mirrors, and even shower doors. Long-lasting protection ensures clear vision for every drive, making this a must-have for safe and hassle-free journeys. Turn any car into a high-fidelity audio experience with this Bluetooth FM transmitter. Equipped with hi-fi bass boost, it delivers clear, immersive sound straight to the car system. Enhanced microphones with CVC-8 noise reduction make calls crystal clear, while the PD-QC3 ports charge 3 devices simultaneously. LED lights also make night use simple and safe. Protect your car from sun, rain, and debris with this folding outdoor canopy. Its durable materials withstand harsh weather, and the sleek sunscreen effectively blocks harmful UV rays. Setup is quick and hassle-free, making it perfect for daily use or temporary parking. Spacious enough for most vehicles, it's a practical solution for anyone who wants reliable car protection. Take your biking adventures to the next level with the West Biking Rooftop Bike Carrier. Its lightweight design adds almost no extra load, yet it's strong enough to hold any bike from MTBs to fat bikes. The vacuum suction technology makes installation quick and effortless, and the alloy construction withstands temperatures, perfect for extreme weather. This universal bike rack securely holds your ride in place, whether hitting the city streets or rugged mountain trails. A must-have for cycling enthusiasts looking for convenience and reliability. Turn any car into a mobile workstation or dining spot with this multi-function steering wheel table. Made from durable, odorless HDPE material, it's lightweight, easy to handle, and a breeze to clean. The double-sided design allows food and drinks on one side and writing or reading on the other. With a full suspension structure, legs enjoy full freedom of movement, perfect for long drives, work on the go, or even road trips. Installation is simple: hang it on the steering wheel, adjust the height, and it's ready to use. Keep the road fully monitored with the ASDOM PG17 mirror dashcam. Its 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera capture every detail, day or night. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen shows both views simultaneously, while Wi-Fi 6 connectivity allows instant playback and sharing via the app. Advanced features like voice control, GPS tracking, and G-sensor collision detection lock important footage automatically. Waterproof rear camera and night vision ensure reliable performance in any condition. This dashcam delivers safety, convenience, and peace of mind for all drivers. Beat the heat with this retractable car windshield sunshade. It blocks 99% of harmful UV rays, keeping interiors cooler and preventing sun damage to seats and dashboards. The accordion-style design makes extending and retracting smooth and effortless, while strong suction cups hold it firmly in place. Durable and lightweight, it can be trimmed to fit different windshield sizes. When not in use, it stores compactly without taking up space. A simple yet highly effective solution for summer driving comfort. Camping just got easier with this roof-mounted water tank. Its large capacity provides plenty of water for showers, cleaning gear, or washing dishes. The self-pressurization system delivers a steady, high-pressure flow up to 1.6 bar. Made from durable PVC, copper, and ABS with chrome plating, it withstands rugged outdoor conditions and heats water naturally using solar energy. Installation is universal for most roof racks, and the safety valve ensures worry-free operation. Perfect for off-grid trips, beach days, or overlanding adventures, it brings convenience and comfort anywhere.